Stop letting your leads slip away, because today, I'm cracking the code to building landing pages in Kvcore that actually convert. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side. From there, select Landing Pages. Now, click the Add Page button to start a new landing page. You'll see various templates. Choose one that aligns with your offer, or start with a blank canvas for complete customization. The headline is crucial. Craft a compelling and benefit-driven headline that grabs attention. Immediately think about the biggest problem you're solving for your audience. Next, add an eye-catching visual. A high-quality image or a short video can significantly increase engagement. Make sure it's relevant to your offer. Now, customize your lead capture form. Keep it simple. Ask for only the essential information, like name, email, and phone number, to lower the barrier to entry. The call to action button is your money maker. Use action-oriented language like get your free report, schedule a showing, or download now. Make it stand out with a contrasting color. Enhance the visual appeal of your landing page by adding a background image that complements your brand and offer. Don't forget to add tracking pixels. This allows you to monitor your landing page's performance and optimize for better results. Finally, preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks great on all devices. Kvcore landing pages are responsive. Before publishing, customize the URL to be something short, memorable, and relevant to your offer. And there you have it, a high-converting landing page in Kvcore, ready to capture leads and boost your real estate business. Now go out there and create some killer landing pages. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.